What's new in FloorPlan 2026? This demonstration begins by opening a sample house project. First, the 2D view is adjusted to display the floor plan clearly. Next, the 3D view is adjusted to provide a realistic visualization of the home's design before demonstrating the available theme options. To change the application's appearance, open the Preferences menu and navigate to the user interface settings. From there, users can easily switch between the light theme and dark theme according to their preference. The light theme provides a clean, bright, and modern interface that is well suited for everyday work and well-lit environments. The dark theme offers a darker, high-contrast interface that helps reduce eye strain, especially during extended work sessions or in low-light conditions. Both themes provide the same tools and functionality, ensuring a consistent user experience regardless of the selected appearance. This allows users to work in the interface they find most comfortable. Users can switch between the light and dark themes at any time through the user interface settings. The transition is quick and seamless. Since only the application's appearance changes, all project data and designs remain exactly the same. Overall, the theme feature improves usability by providing a personalized and comfortable working experience, enabling users to work more efficiently while choosing the interface that best meets their needs. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? Home Design General Questions helps users quickly find answers to home design topics using AI. To get answers to general home design questions, first open the Copilot and select Home Design General Questions from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your question or text prompt, then click Submit. Within a few seconds, the Copilot analyzes your request and generates a detailed response based on your question. This AI-powered feature provides useful information about home design concepts, styles, materials, and best practices. Instead of searching through multiple websites, you can simply ask your question in natural language and receive a clear, well-structured answer directly within the application. Whether you need information about design styles, furniture selection, color palettes, lighting, space planning, or renovation ideas, the Copilot provides practical guidance tailored to your question. Overall, Home Design General Questions delivers fast, reliable, and informative responses, helping users explore ideas and make more confident home design decisions. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? This demonstration begins by opening a sample house project and adjusting the 3D view to clearly display the design. Next, the Copilot is opened, followed by selecting Image Studio. From there, the prompt section is accessed, where the design preservation settings are available. The design preservation feature allows users to control how closely the AI-generated result follows the original design. 4 options are available: None, Relaxed, Strict, and Redesign, each providing a different level of design preservation. The None option applies no design preservation, allowing the AI to interpret the prompt freely and generate a result without considering the original design, providing maximum creative freedom. The Relaxed option preserves the main characteristics of the original design while allowing noticeable updates and improvements. It is suitable for modernizing a space without completely changing its overall appearance. The Strict option closely follows the original design by preserving the existing layout, structure, and major architectural elements. Only limited changes are applied, making it ideal for subtle enhancements. The Redesign option creates a significantly different result based on the provided prompt. It uses the existing project as a reference while allowing the AI to introduce major design changes, making it suitable for complete transformations. By selecting the appropriate design preservation option, users can control the balance between preserving the existing design and creating a new visual concept that aligns with their design goals. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? To get assistance with your design questions, first open the Copilot and select Home Design Help from the drop-down menu. Next, enter any home design-related text prompt based on the information or guidance you need, and then click Submit. Within a few seconds, the Copilot analyzes your request and generates a detailed response tailored to your prompt. You can continue asking different questions using different prompts to receive guidance on a variety of home design topics. Home Design Help is an AI-powered assistant designed to support users throughout the home design process. Simply describe what you need in natural language, and the Copilot will provide clear and relevant recommendations. Whether you're looking for ideas to modernize a living room, redesign a kitchen or bathroom, enhance an outdoor living area, improve a garden bed, or choose suitable materials and finishes, Home Design Help provides practical suggestions based on your requirements. It can also recommend color palettes, furniture, lighting, space planning, and design styles. In addition, Home Design Help allows you to refine your prompts and explore different design possibilities. This makes it easier to compare ideas and choose the solution that best matches your vision. Overall, Home Design Help simplifies the design workflow by delivering fast, intelligent, and context-aware recommendations. It helps users save time, explore new ideas, and make more confident design decisions, all within the application. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? In this demonstration, I opened an existing house project in the application and then launched the Home Design Copilot. Next, I entered a text prompt describing the modern style I wanted for the home. The Copilot analyzed the existing design and generated a modern version, while maintaining the original layout. Within a few moments, the house was transformed with contemporary materials, updated finishes, and a clean, elegant appearance, demonstrating how AI can quickly turn simple text prompts into realistic modern home designs. Now, I opened an existing house project and focused on enhancing the outdoor living area using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern outdoor space I wanted to create. The Copilot analyzed the existing design and transformed the area while preserving the original layout. It generated a stylish outdoor seating space with modern furniture, updated landscaping, elegant lighting, and premium finishes, creating a more inviting and functional environment with just a simple text prompt. Now, my main focus is on living room, so I opened an existing house project and focused specifically on redesigning the living room using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern style and atmosphere I wanted to achieve. The Copilot analyzed the existing living room and generated a redesigned version while preserving the original layout. It transformed the space with contemporary furniture, refined materials, updated lighting, elegant decor, and a cohesive modern aesthetic, demonstrating how a simple text prompt can quickly create a stylish and realistic living room design. Now, I opened an existing house project and focused on redesigning the kitchen using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern kitchen style I wanted. The Copilot analyzed the existing space and transformed it with contemporary cabinetry, premium countertops, modern lighting, and updated finishes while maintaining the original layout, creating a functional and visually appealing kitchen in just a few moments. Now, I am focusing on a bathroom. So I opened an existing house project and focused on redesigning the bathroom using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the modern bathroom style I wanted. The Copilot analyzed the existing space and transformed it while preserving the original layout. The updated design features modern fixtures, elegant tiles, improved lighting, and premium finishes, creating a clean and stylish bathroom in just a few moments. Now I'm focusing on a home garden bed. So I opened an existing house project and selected the garden bed using the Home Design Copilot. I entered a text prompt describing the landscape style I wanted. The Copilot transformed the space with colorful plants, decorative edging, and modern landscaping elements, creating a more attractive and welcoming outdoor area in just a few moments. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? This demonstration explains the input options available in Image Studio. To begin, open the Copilot, select Image Studio, and click on the prompt section to access the available input options. The last source image option uses the most recently selected source image. The last Copilot image option uses the latest image generated by the Copilot. The current 3D view option uses the current 3D scene displayed in the project, while the current 2D view option uses the project's floor plan. The selected file option allows users to upload an image from their computer and use it as the input source. After selecting the file, it is displayed in the preview window, confirming that it has been loaded successfully. The text prompt option generates images using only a written description without requiring a reference image. Simply enter the desired prompt and click the Submit button. Within a few seconds, the Copilot analyzes the request and generates an AI-powered result. The Generate Texture option creates textures from the selected input, making it useful for producing realistic surface materials and finishes. Enter a suitable prompt according to your need. Click Submit, and the Copilot generates a texture based on the provided description. The Generate Plant option creates AI-generated plants and landscaping elements for outdoor environments. After entering a landscaping prompt, click the Submit button to send the request to the Copilot. The Copilot analyzes the prompt and begins generating AI-powered plant and landscaping concepts based on the specified requirements. The processing may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the request. Once complete, the generated results are displayed, allowing users to review and explore different landscaping ideas for their project. Finally, the current 3D view is demonstrated by entering a prompt and clicking Submit. The Copilot combines the current 3D scene with the written instructions or prompt to generate an updated design concept. You may clearly see the difference between the before and after result by clicking on Back and Next buttons. The same process is then demonstrated using the current 2D view, where the AI analyzes the floor plan together with the prompt to generate a design based on the project's layout. Overall, the input options in Image Studio provide multiple ways to generate AI-powered designs. By selecting the most appropriate input source, users can efficiently create, refine, and customize design concepts to suit their project requirements. What's new in FloorPlan 2026? Reference images can be used during rendering through Home Design Copilot to guide the AI toward a desired design style or appearance. To begin, open the Copilot, then open a project in the 3D view. Next, select Image Studio and click on the Prompt section. In this demonstration, a photorealistic rendering is first generated and then saved. However, creating a photorealistic rendering is not mandatory. You can also use the original project image or any suitable image as the reference, depending on your design requirements. Reference images help the AI better understand the visual style, materials, colors, and overall appearance you want to achieve, resulting in more accurate and consistent design concepts. Next, select the Selected File option from the Input drop-down menu and open the saved image. After loading the image, assign it as Reference Image 1, Reference Image 2, or Reference Image 3 depending on your requirements. Multiple reference images can be added to provide additional visual guidance. This allows the AI to combine characteristics from different images and generate results that more closely match your intended design style. After selecting the reference images, enter a descriptive text prompt explaining the design style, modifications, or improvements you want to achieve. The more specific and detailed the prompt, the better the AI can understand your requirements and produce results that align with your expectations. Finally, click the Submit button. The Copilot will analyze both the text prompt and the selected reference image or images. Within a few seconds, it will generate a high-quality, AI-powered result that reflects the visual references and the design instructions provided in the prompt. This combination of reference images and text prompts makes it easier to create customized, realistic, and visually consistent home design concepts. Thanks for watching.